Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all internet and network related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Then go down, select general management, go down, select reset, go down. So here you can see reset mobile network settings. Tap on that. Then tap on this reset settings button. Tap on this reset button. Done. You can see network settings reset. After this reset operation, you can check network connection. That should work. So this way we can simply reset network settings and fix all network and internet related issues. Even 5G and 4G related issues also we can fix. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.